so much, the organizer and students, for this particular event. And I, at the end, would again also congratulate those students who have participated. Thank you so much.
Good morning, dear audience. I'm Hosia Keel and I'm delighted to be your host for this exciting event. We are thrilled to have you all here to witness the incredible talent and dedication and hard work of our young spellers. Before we begin, let's take a moment to acknowledge all the participants who have worked so hard to be on this point. Please give them a big round of applause. Now it's time to introduce our judges. So our judges for today are Ms. Ghazala, Mr. Zaid and Mr. Mubin. Please give them a big round of applause. Before we proceed with final round, it's my pleasure to introduce our pronouncer for today, who is someone with the deep appreciation for language and extensive background in education. Please join me in welcoming Ms. Sumaira. Please give her a big round of applause.
Assalamu alaikum, dear audience and respected students. Okay. Before starting the competition, I would like to introduce few rules for the competition. There will be 2 rounds, one for the spelling round 1 and second will be based on the meanings of those words. Each contestant will be given 5 words to spell. You may ask for the word to be repeated. You will have 30 seconds to spell the word after it has been given to you. There are a few guidelines for all the contestants. Please make sure to speak loudly and clearly. You can ask for words to be repeated. If you spell the word correctly, you will qualify for the next round. If you misspell a word, you will be disqualified. Alright? So are you guys ready for the first round? So in group 1, we have Maheen, Afreen and Nigat. Alright? So the first word from Maheen. Flocculent.
Flauclate.
Your answer is incorrect. Second word. Avenge.
Avege. Incorrect.
Answer is incorrect. Your third word is indicator.
Indicator. Indecater.
Your answer is incorrect. Your next word is iguana.
Iguana. IGUNO.
Answer is again incorrect. And your last word is magnify.
Magnify. MAGNIFY.
The answer is correct. Big round of applause for her. Okay. The first word for Nigat is incidents.
Incident या incident?
Incidents.
Incidents. INCIDENCE.
The answer is correct. Nigat, your second word is mature.
MATURE.
The answer is correct. Nigat, your third word is nucleus. Nucleus.
NUCLE. Nucleus. OUS.
The answer is incorrect. Your next word is orphan.
Orphan. ORPHAN.
The answer is correct. And your last word is peak.
PEAK.
The answer is correct. Big round of applause for Nigat. Afin, your first word is tail.
TALE. TEIL.
Your answer is incorrect. So it's Alishba, Sajda and Roha. Roha, Sajda and Alishba. Okay. The first word is from Roha. Hypothesis. The first word is hypothesis.
HYPOTHUS.
The answer is incorrect. Alright, the second word is fascinate.
Fascinate. F-I-S-I.
Answer is incorrect. The next word is magnify.
M-A-G-N-I-F.
The answer is correct. The next word is peak.
P-E-A-K.
The answer is correct. Your next word is physics.
P-H-Y-S-I-C-S.
The answer is correct. And your last word is simultaneous.
S-Y.
The answer is incorrect. A big round of applause for Roha. Alright. So now my questions are from Miss Sajida. Sajida, your first word is allocution.
Allocation. A-L-O-U-C-S-A-T-I-O-N.
The answer is incorrect. Your next word is abridgment.
A-B-R-O-G-M-E-N-T.
The answer is incorrect. Okay. Your next word is dietitian.
Dietitian. D-E-A-I-T-A-T-I-O-N.
Your answer is incorrect. Your next word is echo.
E-C-H-O.
The answer is correct. Your next word is nucleus.
N-U-C-L-E-U-S.
The answer is correct. That's all from you. Now let's move to Alishba. Alishba, your first word is iguana.
E-G-U-A-N-A.
The answer is incorrect. Your next word is jackal.
J-A-C-K-L-E.
The answer is incorrect. Your next word is oxygen.
O-X-Y-G-E-N.
The answer is correct. Your next word is orphan.
O-R-F-E-N.
The answer is incorrect. Your next word is ulcer.
U-L-C-E-R.
The answer is correct. Thank you so much, girls. A big round of applause for all of them. Now I would like to invite participants of Group 3, Hamad, Ehsan and Ijaz. Okay, Shaynawaz, would you like to stand with them? Because Hamad is not here, so I won't be asking questions from you. Yes, only these two will be participating. Alright? Alright. So, you are Ehsan?
Ehsan.
Okay. So, first word from Ehsan is eclair.
E-C-L-A-I-R. Eclair.
The answer is correct. Your second word is fauna.
F-A-U-N-A.
The answer is correct. Your third word is eczema.
E-C-Z-E-M-A. Eczema.
Answer is correct again. A big round of applause for him. Your next word is imperceptible.
I-M-P-E-R-C-E-P-T-I-B-L-E. Imperceptible.
The answer is correct. And your last word is momentous.
M-E-N-T-O-U-S. Momentous.
Answer is correct. Alright. So the first word for Ijaz. Ijaz, your first word is nylon.
N-Y-L-O-N.
Answer is correct. Your next word is paralysis.
P-A-R-A-L-Y-S-I-S.
Answer is correct. Your next word is resume.
R-E-S-U-M-E.
Answer is correct. Your next word is vague.
W-E-I-G-H.
Answer is incorrect. Your last word is oscillate.
O-S-C-I-L-L-A-T-E.
Answer is correct. A big round of applause for all of them. Now let's wait for the results for the round 2. You all may take your seats. Alright students, so it's time to announce the qualifiers of the round 1. So a big round of applause for all the students from Group 1, Alishba and Roha. From Group 2, it's Nigat. And from Group 3, it's Ehsan and Ijaz. Also Sajida. Alright. So first I would like to request Alishba, Roha and Nigat to be on the stage for the round 2. Alright, so let's start from you, Nigat. Your first word is already displayed on the slide. The first word is abridgment. And the options are extension, outline, expansion, elaboration.
Elaboration.
You can think once again.
Extension.
The answer is incorrect. Your next word is abscission. The options are addition, cutting off, continuation, insertion.
B. Cutting off.
The answer is correct. The next word is acerbate.
A.
The answer is incorrect. Your next word is aficionado.
B. B. Expert.
The answer is correct. And your last word is algorithm. Procedure, hypothesis, or theory.
Theory.
The answer is incorrect. Thank you so much, Nigat. Next, I have questions for Roha. Roha, your first word is alignment. And the options are there on the screen.
Order.
The answer is correct. Your second word is allocution. The answer is incorrect. Your next word is ancillary. And the options are given on the screen.
C.
Answer is correct. Your next word is apocalypse. Harmony, peace, order.
B.
Your answer is correct. And the last word is applicate. Base, beautifier, core, foundation.
B.
Answer is correct. A big round of applause for Roha. Now let's move to Alishba. Your first word is avenge. The answers are displayed on the screen.
A. Forgive.
The answer is incorrect. Your second word is babushka.
B.
Answer is correct. Your next word is baccalaureate. Examination, religious service, interview, quiz.
B.
Option B is correct. Your next word is calisthenics. Meditation, gymnastic exercise, reading or writing.
Medication. A.
Answer is incorrect. And your last word is callous. Sensitive, soft, tender, hard.
A.
Answer is incorrect. A big round of applause for all of them. Next, I would like to call on stage Ehsan, Ijaz and Miss Sajida. Ehsan, your first word is camouflage. Options are exposure, hiding from enemy. The answer is correct. Your next word is deliverance. Bondage, imprisonment, confinement, act of delivering. Option?
D.
Answer is correct. Your next word is denouement. Beginning, climax, introduction, final resolution.
Option D. Final resolution.
Answer is correct. Your next word is diaphragm. Liver, brain, heart, muscular partition.
Option D. Muscular partition.
The answer is correct. Your last word is dichotomy. And the answers are given on the screen: unity, integration, division, or union.
Option C. Division.
Answer is absolutely correct. Now the questions are from Ijaz. Ijaz, your first word is dietitian.
C.
Expert on nutrition, option is correct. Your next word is diphthong. And the options are consonant, vowel sound, gliding speed sound, digraph.
Gliding speed sound.
Option is correct. Your next word is docile. And the options are stubborn, unmanageable, manageable, rebellious.
Manageable. C.
Option C is correct. Your next word is echo. And the options are original sound, vibration, repetition of sound, silence.
Repetition of sound.
Answer is correct. Your last word is eclair. It's a cookie, cream puff, cake, or a pie.
Cream puff.
Answer is absolutely right. A big round of applause for him. Now it's turn for Sajida. Sajida, your first word is eczema. The options are cancer, infection, inflammatory condition of skin, fracture.
Option C.
Option C. Option is correct. Sajida, your next word is effervescent. Dull, flat, bubbling, lifeless.
Ma'am, option D.
The answer is incorrect. Your next word is eloquence.
A.
Option A is incorrect. Your next word is encumbrance. The options are given on the screen.
C.
Option C is incorrect. Sajda, your last word is exquisite. The options are given on the screen.
B. B.
D.
D.
Option B is incorrect. A big round of applause for all of them. Thank you so much, everybody, for participating. Now let's wait for our judges to compile the results, and meanwhile I would like to announce today we will be announcing the winners of the first round of Spell Bee along with the winners of the second round of the Spell Bee.
Okay, so now it's time to announce results. I would like to request respected Mr. Sadiq to be on stage and give prizes to the winners. Please give him a big round of applause.
Hello and assalamu alaikum, and good noon actually. It's not a morning time, so I would say good noon. First of all, I'd like to thank Ma'am Sumaira and her team, Ma'am Ghazala and Ma'am Gausia, and also the rest of the team who organized this event. The first round actually that wasn't well organized, so we decided that we should rather organize the second round so that the student can also participate, and the look of actually the event should go in a very nice way, and it could present, or also the student could represent the university in a very good manner. So the main objective actually of this particular event is that not in a sense that you come and you memorize some words and spellings. Rather, the main purpose is to enable students to become bold enough to participate and also confront actually the audience and muster the courage to participate. And that's the only objective I would say that which makes us and the students enable to participate in the mega other events in their future and make them capable enough to participate in other events, whether that is related to academic or professional life. So I would say that a whole like I wasn't over here, the event would have gone very well, and you also would have enjoyed it as well. And I would also congratulate all those participants who have won the competition, who came even first, second, and third, and also the one who have just participated and have seen it and observed. And I hope next time, inshallah, they will also participate, and it will also give them courage in order to participate in other events like these as well. After Eid, inshallah, we will also organize another one, that is speech declamation. And in that event, I look forward that inshallah this one will help you. First of all, I would like to share my experience as well. Once I was hosting actually an event in the at university level, so I felt it would be a lot easier to confront the audience and public in front of me, and there was also vice chancellor sitting in the audience. So I had paper with me and I was supposed to just say a few lines, but I couldn't actually do that very well. And later I realized that it needs actually that particular courage to have it, the particular practice, it needs rehearsal. And after that, you have to just come to the restroom and deliver something or confront the audience. So obviously, like that was a kind of I would say that experience for me, from which I learned, and then later on in professional and academic kind of events, I performed very well. So I would say, don't consider these kind of events that being a participants only, sitting in a chair and observing, or being spectators, you are just seeing things. Rather, if you participate, so it helps you, encourage you for the rest of the participations and taking part actually in different events, as well as it encourages you and make you bold enough so that if you'd like to present something in public, so you can boldly do it and can achieve that particular objective which you have. So thank you so much, the organizer and students, for this particular event. And I at the end would again also congratulate those students who have participated. Thank you so much.